Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Bulgarian ebook before it's gone.
Listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Как е, момичета?
Добре.
Супер сме.
Браво. Какво ще правите ваканцията?
Ще ходим на спа хотел.
Яко.
А ти някакви планове?
Ами аз сигурно ще работя.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Някакъв.
Some.
Какво?
What?
Добре.
Good. Okay. Well.
Браво.
Bravo.
Правя.
To do. To make.
Ходя.
To go. To walk.
План.
Plan.
Момиче.
Girl.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Как е, момичета?
Добре.
Супер сме.
Браво. Какво ще правите ваканцията?
Ще ходим на спа хотел.
Яко.
А ти някакви планове?
Ами аз сигурно ще работя.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.